some light blues also. Let's add some light blues in here. There we go. Keep everything painterly. Don't obsess over hair strands and stuff. These are not very important at the moment. Add this purple here, and here there's also a highlight. In the same way here. And now with this purple I'm going to draw out the eye, because there's this lid that catches the light. And it's only on this side. And I'm going to take my pastels, so I'm going to add some green to my iris. So I'm working on both eyes at the same time. Some brighter, dialed down orange. And once again, I'm looking where my highlights are and where to place those lights and darks. Add some brown into the eye. And this eye is going to be darker as it's turned away from the light, so I'm passing over with my brown over those oranges and greens. I'm going to add a bit of yellow on this side so it creates a highlight on that eye, and also here. Just a bit. As the cornea is transparent, it's going to let the light pass through the eye, so we will see the eye kind of have the highlight and the reflected light on the other side. I have a video on YouTube that talks about the anatomy of the eye. So before I put in the pupil, I added brown, and now with my black I will add that pupil on top. That way it's not going to look very dead. The same way here, it's going to have a color to it. So you can see now these eyes, they look very flat. It's going to change as soon as we add that highlight on top. But before I do that, I want to sharpen my pencil. So I'm using the black pencil. And I'm going to add that rim that I see around the iris. I'm going to correct that shape of the pupil as well. Doing the same here, correcting the shape and adding that line that I see around the iris. And now with a lighter pencil, I will use a white, but I won't press very hard here, because I wanted to mix in with the color that I have there. So again, correcting the shape. So there's this little corner that is lighter. And also here. Correcting the shape. Constantly looking at the original and correcting the shape. I'm gonna add this white just slightly to lighten up this part. And here we have that highlight on the eyelid and also on the white of the eye. Again, correcting shape. So now these eyes, they look flat. Gonna add some of this yellow on this side as well. And also a bit here. Now what we need to do is take our lightest color that we have, preferably the one that we used already, and just add that highlight in the eye. And here it's going to be a lot less. I'm just gonna add it and then rub it in. There we go. And now you can see that we have the 3D eyes. So with this light gray, also I'm gonna go into the nose and correct the shape of the nose. And we have the highlight here in the nostril as well. Just correcting the shape of the nose here. It's going to be slightly wider. And just adding those hairs because she has these like hairs clumping together. And I want to add them so she doesn't look as fluffy. So you can see that I'm just creating those kind of clumps of hair together. And bringing out that eyebrow and also here. The eyebrows, they're very important in dogs as they allow you to create that face expression. Also here, just a bit. Fixing the shape of the ear. And creating those hair strands by the ear. And there we go. Our Border Collie sketch is all done. One thing that's left to do is to sign it. And we can hang it on the wall. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks. Bye.